In today's video, I am going to create internal dataset using data lines or car statement. For this, we will need a data statement to define the dataset name. Here, I am giving the dataset name student. Then, to mention the path of the file, we will use infile statement. In this case, we are reading the data using data line statement. Hence, the path of the file will be data lines only. Then, to define the variables, we will use input statement. These are the variables: name, English score, math score, and science score. Here the name is character variable, so we need to add a $sign after the variable name to tell the SAS that the variable is in character format. Using data line statement, we can add the observations in the variable. I will just copy and paste this data I have already typed in different file. Here we can see one of the observations in name variable is greater than 8 character. So to increase the length of this variable, we will use length statement. So here we are increasing the length using length statement. We are increasing the length of name variable, which is character in format. We will increase it up to 12 character like this. So basically there are three methods to add the observations in dataset. First is named input method. In named input method, we need to write variable name with each observation and equal to sign in input statement. So like this. We will hit the run button and see. Here we have created the data successfully. Second method is column input method. In column input method, the data is arranged in particular column format like this. I will just copy and paste, which I have already written in another file. Here we can see the observations are arranged in particular column format. We don't need to add equal to sign in the input statement here. We will hit the run button and see. Here we can see we have successfully created a data set using column input method. The third method is named input method. In named input method, the observations are separated by any delimiter. In this case, we are using semicolon as a delimiter. I will again just copy and paste it to save our time. Here we can see the observations are separated with semicolon. We have to mention which delimiter we are using DLM option in infile statement like this only. We will hit the run button and we have successfully created a data set using list input method.